Sanibonani Bangani, and welcome to our Zulu Basic series, brought to you by ZuluMites. Today, I'm going to teach you how to introduce a friend, say nice to meet you, and ask for help. So here we go. You are with your friend and someone asks you, Gubani igama lomngani wako? Which means, what is your friend's name? Then you answer, igama lomngani wami uThandi. Your friend can then say, ngiyajabula ukukwazi, which means it's nice to meet you. And finally, if you need to ask someone for help in Zulu, you'd say, ngicela ungisize. Hopefully, this will get you a good response. Good luck, everyone. Salani kahle.